my unicorn friend.
Well, hello and welcome, my unicorn friends. So today, we're doing something a little different. We're putting together a jigsaw puzzle. A 30-piece jigsaw puzzle to be exact. And I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it came in this box. Jigsaw Puzzle, 9.25 inch by 10 inch. All right, let's get it done. Hopefully we'll get it done. It's been a minute since I've done a jigsaw puzzle. Those look like they go together. And they do. Making some progress. Making some progress. Got a face coming together here. Does that go there? Not quite. Let's see. Does those go there? They do. Okay. Those go together. That goes there. That goes there. Okay, okay. Not quite. Okay. No. Haha. Okay. Not quite. Missing something. That goes there. Okay. Okay. All right, we're getting it, folks. We're getting it. Big piece goes here. Okay. Believe that goes there. And this goes here. And this goes here. And the last piece. Voila! Is a cheeseburger with a smile. He's smiling, look at that. Happy cheeseburger. Cheeseburger sounds so good right now. Yum. Let's see. Yes, indeedy. We got him. Well, that was fun. Something different, my unicorn friends. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I sure did. I'll see you in the next one. Happy hamburgers and cheeseburgers. Bye. Juicy all beef patty. Unicorn, that's me, has 6 new coloring books available. Check them out using the link below. Color with me every day.